Today we are yet again looking at another house built by Creative Homes. I would just like to thank Creative Homes for allowing us to have this opportunity to come and view this beautiful house. This home has 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, 3,593 square feet, sitting on a 10,106 square foot lot. Let's go ahead and take a look inside. As we walk into the home, we walk right into the foyer here. There's a lot of space and it's wide. Coming over to our right here, we get the main level bathroom. This is a pretty nice, sizable bathroom. You know, you got your toilet, you got your sink, mirror. There is an office right over here. As you can see, no doors. Walk right into your office here. Lots of windows, bringing in the light into the home. We got outlets for internet, cable, everything you need for an office. And this is carpeted, so it's really comfortable, really cozy right in here. And as we walk back out towards this way, we get the closet. And it's a really sizable closet as well. And as we continue into the home here, we have the kitchen over to my left-hand side, and we also get the living room. One thing I really like about these homes is the tall ceilings. It just feels really open, really spacious, doesn't feel so claustrophobic. And as you can see, right in the center here, we have the massive fireplace with the shiplap here as well, along with a wood accent right here. And I believe this is a gas fireplace. And I really like the windows as well. The windows bring in, you know, of course, bring in that light, but also it gives a little bit more character to this wall over here. It's not so plain and boring if it feels just a plain wall, but you know, having those windows really break it up and sets apart the wall from the fireplace as well. And there's even enough space for you to put your furniture, you know, maybe do some custom shelving. Like I say, with almost every video I've done of these new construction homes, big, beautiful windows right here. And just take a look at the beautiful view you get over here. An amazing view of the pond with a walking trail right behind your home. And right over here, this is your dining area. Beautiful chandelier above. Of course, right now there is no deck installed yet. The creativity is up to you. This is where your potential deck would be. Right over here to the kitchen, we get the big, massive island right in the middle with the sink, black fixtures, lots of drawers, lots of storage space all around. Stainless steel dishwasher, microwave, got the 4-burner stove top here, marble countertops. Just want to mention that. All your cabinetry, and then also stainless steel fridge. Right over here, we get the pantry. These are actually automatic lights in the pantry. Lots of shelvings. In the future, you could definitely go ahead and remove these and customize the shelving in here as well to your liking. But you can see that there is a lot of space in here. And as we continue over here, this will be the door to your garage. And right over here, this is another closet. And I guess you could consider this a mud room, because you can definitely still put up a bench, some hangers right over in this corner here, and have everything set out really nice. So we're done with the main level here. Let's continue upstairs, where we're gonna see 4 bedrooms, and each bedroom basically has its own bathroom. And as we come up the stairs here, right over to my left here, we get the first bedroom on the upstairs level. Lots of windows. Again, you're gonna see a lot of that in these homes built by Creative Homes. Right over here, there is also a walk-in closet. They have these shelves for now, where in the future you could take down and go ahead and customize to the way you want. And this room is actually connected to the bathroom. And as you walk right in here, you see that we have dual sinks over here, and behind this door we get shower and toilet here. As we continue over to the other side, we get to the second bedroom on the upper level here, and again, really nice windows And another thing is this also has a walk-in closet. We can see that it's a little bit nicer. It even has a windows, a little bit more space. Feels a little bit brighter, a little bit more open. And also one thing about this closet is pocket doors. Saves up a lot of space, and I personally think the bathroom could also do pocket doors as well. I think that would free up a lot of space in the bathroom. Doesn't feel like there's too much going on, especially when you get 2 or more people in there. Outside of these first few rooms, we get right into the laundry room. Right now there's nothing connected. This room is all set and ready to go for you to plug in and go right ahead and use your appliances. We'll go ahead and continue on through this hallway. And one thing I really like about these hallways is how wide they are as well. Right here you could go ahead and put, you know, like a small table or something, set up some nice pictures as well. Going down the hall to this end here, we get right into another bedroom. And I guess you could kind of say that this is like a junior suite, because right over here in this corner, you get a walk-in closet along with a bathroom as well. Here's a walk-in closet right here, and then we get right into the bathroom over here. Full bathroom, shower, tub, and then we have a single sink here with really nice chrome finishes in here. And let's go ahead and take a look at the primary bedroom. And right here we come right into the primary bedroom. Really nice chandelier in the middle of the bedroom. You can set up your bed here, no problems whatsoever. This window looks out back to the pond, and right over here we get the bathroom for the primary bedroom. In this bathroom we get dark wood floors, dual sinks, we have a water closet here, we also have a standalone tub along with a standalone shower, and right over here is the walk-in closet. And the way this is structured is really nice. It's almost like a dual closet type of thing, a closet within a closet. Lots of space here for custom shelving. Again, you can take these down, do your own custom shelving. Lots of space for you to create your own ideas. With the shower here, we got the really nice black finish frame all around with the marble tiling all around the shower as well. And right over here, we get the linen closet. So that is it for the upstairs. Now let's go ahead and take a look downstairs and finish up the tour. As we come down the stairs here, walk right into the lower level family room. Here we get the lower level bathroom. Again, really nice finishes here, chrome finishes all around. No tub in this one. One thing I do like to say is I like these darker colored cabinets. It really brings out more contrast against all the brighter and lighter colors within the bathroom, and you'll see a lot of that throughout the home as well. This bedroom in here, there is no walk-in closet. It does have a smaller closet than the rest of the bedrooms in the home, but this is still a really nice and sizable closet with lots of storage space. And once again, beautiful windows looking right over to the pond. This is really a beautiful view. Here you get the sidewalk, the walking trail, and right over here in the family room you get the really nice recessed lights right up in the ceiling. There's lots of space here as well for you to maybe do a bar. One of the model homes that I first looked at, over here in this area, they set up a full bar and it looked really nice. Over here in this corner, this is where you're gonna get your utility room. And on this side, we get another room here. This could be a great little rec room, another closet, lots of space. Definitely, I think it's really handy to have this down here as well. So that is it for this tour of this home. If you would like to see more of this home, and if you'd like to see this home in person, I'm actually doing open houses on Thursdays from 4 p.m. to about 7 p.m. Feel free to stop by, come take a tour, see this home in person. Make sure you follow me on Facebook to stay up to date when I post about my open houses. Definitely, there's gonna be lots more coming this summer. I'll go ahead and link all that down below, so make sure you follow me. But anyways, thanks for tuning in today. We'll go ahead and see you on the next episode.